Turning on or off auto backup of messages to Samsung Cloud on the Galaxy S24 allows you to manage whether your messages are automatically saved, ensuring they are securely stored or preserving device storage as needed. Let's get started. First, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Accounts and Backup. Next, tap on Backup Data under Samsung Cloud. Here, toggle the switch next to Messages to turn auto backup on or off based on your preference. And that's it. If you'd like to perform a manual backup immediately, just tap on Backup Now at the bottom to start backing up your messages to the cloud right away. Otherwise, your messages will automatically back up at scheduled times. Finally, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips.